Hi there, I am Mrs. Geyer. I am the third grade intervention specialist. You can find me upstairs in room 2222. I love playing tennis and pickleball, and I follow the Bengals too. I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you and getting to know you as well. Please note that you only need to buy grade level supplies. No extra supplies are needed to come see me. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. We can communicate through Seesaw as you can every other teacher. As you know, masks are required, so I will be wearing this when we work together to keep you safe. I am alone right now, so I do not need to wear a mask. I can't wait to see you guys on Tuesday, September 8th. I will see you then.